How to switch account on Facebook. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel How to Apps. This is me Bipin Basnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can switch your account or how you can log into another account on Facebook on iPhone. Now the process is itself quite simple and easy, so let me guide you through. First and foremost, you simply want to open up your Facebook application. Once you do so, you want to make sure you're logged into your account. Right now here what you want to do is at the bottom of your screen you can see at the bottom right corner the menu option with your profile. You want to simply tap on it. Once you do so, you should get another page like this. Now simply scroll all the way down below, and there under WhatsApp you can see the logout option. Simply tap on logout option, and you want to tap on logout option and it'll be logged out. Now once you're logged out, you should get another page like this. Now I already have multiple accounts on my device, as you can see. However, if you do not have one, you want to simply tap on log into another account option at the bottom right corner of your screen, at the bottom of your screen, and there you want to enter in your details. And once you do so, you want to tap on login and you'll be able to log in. And once you log in, to switch between accounts, all you have to do is you'll have to log out and you'll have to tap on the particular profile in order to log in and switch account. So this way you can switch account on Facebook on iPhone. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.